Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm still a little sick, but we are getting through it, and we are going to go over the March mystery. This I have been hyping for about, I don't know when the art's been done. I feel like it's been either 6 or 8 months the art has been done, and I have been obsessed with it. And I have to go through my thought process of the theme, and this is exclusive art by Goodness Jess, who y'all know is great. And there's also a foil bundle that's a new design, which I'm very excited to show y'all. So just overall, very hyped for this. So you can no longer get this kit. If you were looking for it, I would check the buy, sell, trade. There is an ISO post, and you can always post in there. And sometimes if somebody's getting rid of it, they'll message you. But let's go over this. If you sign up next month, you'll get a completely different kit, but it's always exclusive art and always a banger. So let's go ahead into it. This is the March mystery, and oh my goodness, we're gonna save the foil for last though. Okay, so my thought process with this is I saw this campaign that it was for a jewelry company, a smaller jewelry company, and they did glitter tears. I'm sure a lot of people have done glitter tears, but I was like, I just think that glitter tears are so beautiful. And I was thinking it would be really nice to have a kit that felt anytime, but you could also use it for a loss, for a heartbreak, for a sad time, but didn't have just you moping around on the couch, you know what I mean? Something that was beautiful, but could be used to mark something sad, but also could be used as something anytime, just so that if you don't mark sad things in your planner, or if you don't memory plan, that you could still use it and it be beautiful. So this is kind of the vibes. I was explaining this all to Jess, and she was like, oh, I think this scene would be perfect. I think putting butterflies in there for the symbolism and everything would just be so beautiful. So let me give you a little quick zoom through. But the colors, the art, the fashion options, everything, the butterflies. I'm obsessed with butterflies. Look at all those butterflies. I am just in love. The little journal, the earrings, the jewelry, the scenes, the hands, the candles. Ooh, the rainbow in the background. I literally can't. The little lollipop. Everywhere you look, there's something new to be amazed with. These colors are everything. I paired this with lavender hollow, but I think if you wanted to do silver, maybe rose, but I probably would go more silver hollow, sparkly hollow, but I think lavender hollow, TBH. It's just beyond beautiful, perfection, everything I could want and more. I just love this. I just think it's the most beautiful kit ever. And I think especially because I'm imagining it laid down, there's two different patterns here. This one's a little bit more of a soft pattern, and then you have the more of the celestial pattern, the little fat bunny. We all need a fat bunny in our planner. The really pretty green as the additional color. You can either put that in there or leave it out. And then you have the doodles over here, the tall box with the rainbow. Obsessed, love it. And then you have more options for the fashion option with the glitter tears. And then this one has an extra for the ultimate kit, and you have the smaller box in case you wanted not to use the tall one. I was like, well, if we're doing a whole nother box, let's add it in there. You have the other box here as well for this one, another alternative skin tone hair color option. And then you have this other fashion option here, which is kind of she has angel wings and she's laying in the grass. It's so beautiful. It's almost a little lakey grass thing. But anyways, I'm obsessed with this. I hope that y'all love this because it's just everything. And I'm debating do I want to use it just for any time, or do I want to save it if something tragic happens? I don't know. Or if I'm just generally feeling sad, which sometimes happens as well. So that is the March mystery. And let me show you the foil for this one. So this is a new foil bundle. And also you're getting kind of a little sneak at some new icons that'll be coming to the shop, and also will be coming to future foil bundles. So let's go over the first page first. So you do get 2 of this page, and this is just a butterfly foil bundle. Not only are there butterflies in here, but there's also confetti bits and shimmer bits. So you could totally mix this with any lavender hollow you have, and I think it'd be really pretty if you want to maybe not use these, but you want to use the boxes and maybe mix it with a shimmer bundle, mix it with a confetti bundle, and you can mix and match, or you can use it all together, which personally for me, I will probably use this all together and maybe add in some regular hollow hollow elements or sparkly hollow. It depends on my mood. If I'm using it for any time, I'll probably use sparkly hollow. If I'm using it for something tragic, I'm probably going to use regular hollow. It'll just depend on my mood. So, and I'm pretty sure that I ordered this in other core foils, including hollow and sparkly hollow. So those will be coming to the shop later. I have to double check on those. If you want to know, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll let you know what I have foil-wise of this coming in the future too. But I think this is a really, really pretty combo. Oof. Okay, so you get 2 pages of that. So you have your glitter header overlays, the boxes. This would be like your double box. So you flip it over to the side, and then your other boxes. You have your underlays, which are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Again, you could totally switch these out for regular bougie boxes if you want to kind of tone it down a little bit. And you could use these with a regular spring kit that you're planning on using lavender hollow with later. But I personally love these, and I think they're going to look so pretty underneath everything. Then you have the script and icon page, which, like I said, I did switch up the the icons portion, so they're no longer the larger icons. They're not like really that much different in size realistically. So I just switched them up to have more icons and things that people have been requesting to be added and seen. And these will be for not all foil bundles that come out in the future, because I still do have quite a few that have the older format, just haven't been able to release them yet. But in any new formats and things like that, you'll see, I'll show you when those come out, and they'll also be in the listing photos. But there's lots of different icons in here, and I am excited to have them. And like I said, they will be coming in a small sheet to the shop if you want to add those to your orders in the core foils to have in your collection. Like, I like to use those with little things all the time. And then last but not least, you have the bottom washi. Obsessed. You have these pretty fancy headers. You have deco and the date numbers. And that is the foil bundle. I am obsessed with this kit. I really hope y'all like it. If you're not going to use this foil bundle with it, what other foil would you use with it? Because I feel like there are quite a few like pretty light foil colors that would look beautiful. Maybe a light blue, a light purple. But personally, like I said, I'm going to stick to the lavender hollow. And then let me just quickly flip through the mini kit for y'all. So you have the same full boxes, deco, glitter headers. This is the mini kit exclusive page. The bottom washi, and then this is the mini kit freebie. And then also in this month's mystery, we did also give this sheet as well as a extra freebie. And then you have the normal freebie, which is the matte foil label sampler there. So that is everything for this month. I hope y'all liked it, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.